The Doodle Bot lets you collaborate to find the best time to meet, right where work happens, in Slack. Say your marketing team is in the US and wants to plan a sync call with your PR agency in London, but you can't see the PR team's calendars and they're not even in your team's Slack. That's no trouble at all. With the Doodle Bot, you create an invite, add a few possible time options for everyone to vote on, and then share it with everyone in the marketing channel, your copywriters via direct message, and the PR team via email. And don't worry, they'll see this in their local time zone. Everyone chooses the time that suits their schedules, making it easy to find the best time to meet, all without leaving your Slack workspace. Use the Doodle Bot to spend less time scheduling and more time doing. Get the Doodle Bot in the Slack App Store and start scheduling today.